Hi, I'm Sarah McCready. I'm going to show you how to make these cute pupcakes for your four-legged friends. The ingredients you'll need today are 165 grams of self-raising flour, 165 grams of finely grated carrot, 2 eggs and 60 millilitres of honey. For the frosting, you'll need 280 grams of cream cheese. Beat all the pupcake ingredients together until well combined. Put a heaped teaspoon of the mixture into each one of the muffin spaces. And then tap the case on the worktop a couple of times just to level out the mixture. Pop them in the oven to bake for 25 minutes. When they are completely cool, you can add the cream cheese frosting. Just whip up the cream cheese until it's smooth and then spread or pipe on top. Now for the all-important bit, the taste test.